Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Genoa Leather Executive Visitor Chair. Features. This Italian-inspired high-back leather executive visitor chair is at home around meeting, conference and boardroom tables and is faced in luxurious soft-feel leather with distinctive stitch detail to the seat and back. The padded and angled headrest area supports the head and neck, whilst the backrest cushion with lumbar sculpture offers extra back support. Deep padded seat with pronounced waterfall front eases pressure on the legs, improving circulation. The elegant chrome hooped armrests are topped with matching arm pads and fitted with sturdy cantilever frame finished in chrome. Faced in a choice of cream, brown or black soft-feel leather upholstery with perfectly matched vinyl back and sides. A matching manager chair is also available. The chair is fire retardant to BS 5852 and is suitable for persons up to 110 kg weight capacity, 17.3 stone. Offered with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours per day use. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.